On the SAT, a graph can look friendly until it asks you for something like f of 2 plus f of 4. Suddenly, every point on that graph feels suspicious. Here's where the SAT gets sneaky. Sometimes, the point you see on a graph is not the point you're allowed to use. In this video, you'll learn how to read functions from graphs, find values like f of x, and avoid the most common SAT traps. You're watching SAT Prep with Quizlet, quick lessons to help you feel more confident on test day. Let's start with a big idea. In function notation, f of x means the y value that matches a given x value. So if a graph shows the point 3, 4, that's another way of saying f of 3 equals 4. A point xy on the graph tells you that f of x equals y. Now, let's apply this to a typical SAT question. Find f of 2 plus f of 4. At x equals 2, you may see more than one point on the graph. On the SAT, only the point that actually belongs to the function counts. In this case, that's the closed circle. So f of 2 is 1, and f of 4 is 3. Add them together, and you get 4. When more than one point appears at the same x value, don't guess. The graph will show which value the function actually takes. So far, we've learned how to evaluate a function from a graph. Start at the x value. Identify the point that belongs to the function, and read off the corresponding y value. Want to lock this in? Tap the link for some quick SAT practice on Quizlet. Then come right back and keep going. Now let's take this one step further. Let's look at a slightly different kind of SAT question. Suppose g of 3 equals k. What is g of k? Step 1. Find k. When x equals 3, the y value is 4. That means k equals 4. Step 2. Substitute it back in. Now, the question becomes what is g of 4? Looking at the graph, when x equals 4, y equals 5, so g of k is 5. Always reread the question. Many SAT errors happen when students stop after finding k instead of finishing the job. Remember, evaluating a function means following the graph exactly. Use the value the function actually takes, and always finish every step the question asks for. Now keep the momentum going. Tap the link to check out Quizlet's SAT Study Hub for practice tests and get ready for test day.